I'm back.
I'm sorry.
I guess I'm tired of being single, jerking off for your days. I'm trying to get a girlfriend on this random ass
Okay,
dating
so his
site.
name is Jacqueline, and he's 56. Damn, he's pretty young.
Margaret, she's like 106 years old. Not looking for a hookup. What? Yeah, fuck that.
Hey, I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to hook up. I'm trying to get my dick sucked from the back.
Sorry. Hey, what do you want to do tonight, dog? Oh, shit. What about that kickback on 3rd Street? I'm trying to get my belly got sucked from the back, fool. That small ass dick, shit don't reach, homie.
Oh wait, I keep forgetting. I don't have a dick. Wait, what? Nothing.
She's 9 years old. Hey, damn, that's a bad bitch right there, yo.
That's a bad bitch right there, son. Word up. Hey, I don't got
Hey,
one.
me, I'm a dilf. Dad, I like to fuck.
So it says she likes cooking. She likes working out.
Girl, look at that body. I work out.
Likes bowling.
On death, Matthew.